that kissing and look where it got us.
Knocked up.
Yeah. The nominees for Outstanding Supporting Actor in a Drama Series are Michael Badalucco, The Practice, Dominic Chianese, The Sopranos, Steve Harris, The Practice, Richard Schiff, The West Wing, John Spencer, The West Wing.
And the Emmy goes to Richard Schiff.
This is the first Emmy nomination and win for Richard Schiff.
Hey, Brett. Hey. I just want all the cast members to come up here. I mean, I'm really happy that Allison won, so that I don't have to repeat everything that she said, but I will anyway. I really thought that I missed my era, and I should have been around in the time of O'Neill, you know, Eugene O'Neill and Clifford Odets and Arthur Miller, and who would have thought that every 8 days I get to do a new play written by a writer who combines the greatest attributes of all those writers and is the greatest writer of this era, Aaron Sorkin. Thank you, Aaron. Tommy Schlamme is the executive producer, and along with John Wells, and many times director. And Tommy, thank you for encouraging us and allowing us and joining us in the impossible pursuit of excellence. Thank you. And the cast of The West Wing, who I love dearly. This obviously is for everybody. Come with me and celebrate. Thank you very much.